How to fix inappropriate activity detected error in Elden Ring 1.06. 1. Verify integrity of game files in Steam. Like this. Restart your PC later. And check Elden Ring server status, in the meantime. 2. Uninstall and reinstall the game. Like this. 3. For mods players, launch Elden Ring via the launcher, say launch_Elden_Ring_seamlesshook.exe, in its installation folder. 4. Change language settings, select change system locale option and enable beta, use Unicode UTF-8 parameter. 5. Repair your game via the easy anti-cheat app at c:\users\left bracket username right bracket /appdata/roaming/easy anti-cheat /. 6. Update the Elden Ring app. 7. Play the game, eldenring.exe. With administrator privileges. Like this. 8. Pay a visit to Bandai Namco support page. 9. Update and / or uninstall Epic Launcher. 10. Turn off any VPN. / proxy-based connection.